Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the error this app could not be installed. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device and scroll down a little bit. Now, access the Screen Time feature and make sure to enable it. Next, access the Content and Privacy restrictions and enable it as well. Then, access the Allowed Apps feature from the top and make sure Safari is enabled. Again, go back to the home page of the Settings app and look for the Safari app. Once you find it, tap on it and tap on the Clear History and Website Data button. Confirm the action by tapping on it again. Now, go to the bottom of the page and access Advanced. Tap on Experimental Features and scroll down to the bottom. Simply reset the settings to default and you're good to go. After following these steps, try installing the app again and it should work without any issues. So that's basically how you can fix the error. This app could not be installed. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.